Songs and music are one of those rare content types that almost everyone loves. The audience for music is huge, and because of that, it's one of the easiest niches to grow in. In fact, there are countless channels out there that simply upload songs or background music, and they're generating solid monthly revenue. Some of them are even financially independent because of it. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. That sounds great, but I don't know how to sing, and I've never touched a musical instrument in my life. Don't worry, you don't need to. Because in this video, I'm going to introduce you to an AI tool that allows you to create complete songs in just a couple of minutes, straight from your phone. The tool I'm talking about is called Vidnoz AI Music and Songs Maker. This app lets you generate a brand new song literally with one click. No voice, no instruments, no training required. This is incredibly powerful because you can use it not only to produce your own songs, but also to generate background music for your videos in seconds. Right now, it's available only on iOS, so if you've got an iPhone, you're good to go. I'll leave the download link in the description so you can grab it directly from the App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, all you need to do is to open the app, and here you will see different options for creating an account. Simply creating an account with your Google account. Once you have made your account successfully, you will see different features to create your music. And here's where it gets exciting. You actually get 3 different ways to create songs with this tool. The first method is called text-to-music. Here's how it works. You'll see a text box where you can type a short description of the song you want. For example, you might type something like, a happy pop song with summer vibes and upbeat energy. Once you've entered your description, you'll see an option to choose a genre. This app comes with more than 13 different genres. Some of them are pop, rock, R&B, funk, and many more. Then, below that, you'll see an option to select a style. This is where it gets interesting because you have more than 25 unique styles to choose from. Styles add a layer of flavor to your music. They control things like the rhythm, the feel, and the mood. So by combining genre plus style, you can create endless variations. After you've made your choices, just hit the Generate button. The second option is lyrics. This feature is perfect if you already have some words in mind, or if you want to create your own unique lyrics for the song. The process is really simple, but let me explain each step clearly so you understand exactly how it works. First, you'll need your lyrics ready. You can write them yourself if you're creative, or you can use tools like ChatGPT to generate lyrics for you in just a few seconds. For example, I quickly asked ChatGPT to write me a short song, and it gave me a verse and chorus that I could immediately use. Once you have your lyrics, you just copy them and paste them directly into the text box inside the app. After pasting your lyrics, the app will guide you to the next step, which is choosing your genre. This is very important because the genre decides the overall mood and style of your track. If you want your song to sound fun and upbeat, you might choose pop. If you want something emotional and smooth, you could pick R&B. If you want something heavier and energetic, rock might be the right choice. There are several genres to pick from, so take a moment to think about what vibe you want your lyrics to carry, and then select the one that matches best. Once you've chosen the genre, you'll notice another option that lets you pick a style. This is where you can add more flavor to your song. Styles are like subcategories that define the arrangement and overall sound of the track. For example, within pop you might have a bright, happy style or a more emotional, slow style. Each style will give your song a slightly different feel, so it's a good idea to experiment with a couple of them until you find the one that really fits your lyrics. After setting the style, the next step is to choose the vocal type. Here the app allows you to decide whether you want the song to be sung by a male voice or female voice. This choice can completely change how your song feels. Sometimes lyrics sound more powerful in a male voice, and other times they sound softer and more emotional in a female voice. It really depends on the mood you're going for, and the great thing is that you can try both options and see which one works best. Once all of that is done, you're ready for the most exciting part. Just hit the Generate button. The app will take a minute or two to process your lyrics, genre, style, and vocal choice, and then it will deliver a fully produced song back to you.
Weightless moments, floating hearts, silver sky and glowing air, gentle breezes everywhere, words like raindrops, soft and clear. When you're close, I have no fear. Echoes shimmer, feelings rise, all our troubles vaporize. Floating hearts, above the ground, lost in love, never coming down.
And honestly, the results are impressive. I tried it myself with some simple lyrics, and the app created a track that sounded like it came straight out of studio. The vocals were clean, the background music matched perfectly, and the whole song felt polished and ready to use immediately. The third method is called image to song, and this one is really creative. Here's how it works. You upload any image into the app. The AI analyzes the mood and vibe of the picture. Then it creates a song inspired by that image. This is an amazing feature if you want to create music that connects directly with your visuals. Imagine making a travel vlog where every clip has music inspired by the actual places you visited. Pretty cool, right? Now, apart from these creation methods, the app also has an Explore tab. Inside Explore, you can check out songs made by other users of the app. The cool part is all of these tracks were made using the same tool. Listening to what others are creating can give you ideas for your own songs. You might hear a style you like, or you might discover genres you never thought about trying. It's also a great way to stay inspired and see how creative people are using AI for music. Let's pause for a second and think about what this really means. You don't need to learn instruments. You don't need to pay for music producers. You don't even need to sing. And yet, you can create songs that sound professional and unique. For content creators, this is a massive opportunity. You can generate background music for your YouTube videos in seconds. You can create original tracks for TikTok or Instagram. You can even start a dedicated YouTube channel where you upload AI-generated songs and grow it into a business. This is why I believe Vidnoz AI Music Maker is a complete game changer. So that's a complete walkthrough of the Vidnoz AI Music and Songs Maker. Now it's your turn. Go download the app. You will get the link is in the description. Try it out and start making your own music today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I'll be sharing more AI tools that can help you create content, grow your audience, and even make money online.